This video is sponsored by Tenorshare. Hey, what's up guys, this is Shivam and today I'm gonna be showing you that how you can jailbreak your device. Tenorshare for you key to unlock disable iPhone without using iTunes. It unlocks iPhone, Apple ID and lock screen, Touch ID and Face ID. It bypasses iPhone password instantly. You can get Tenorshare for you key software on Mac and Windows. Check out the website link in the description below. Hey, what's up guys, this is Shivam and today I'm gonna be showing you that how you can jailbreak your device iPhone 5s all the way up to iPhone 10, iOS 12.3 and all the way up to iOS 12.4.7, even included with the iPad Air, iPad Mini 2, iPad Mini 3 and iPod Touch 6th generation. Basically iPhone A11 CPU and older. iPhone 10s, 10R, iPhone 11 series are not supported, that is A12, A13 devices. Still not compatible to Checkra1n. This also does not support for 2018 newer iPads like iPad Pro 3rd generation and 4th generation. You can check out on this website compatible devices. It's also tethered jailbreak. That means every time your device restart because of battery died or any other reason, you have to jailbreak your device again with the help of computer, and then you can get back your all the jailbreak tweaks. So on that note, you need a Mac computer to run this jailbreak. It's only support Mac OS and Linux officially. Windows version is ongoing. It's still not officially announced. But with some smart workaround, we can actually jailbreak Windows by using live RAIN Windows and by using RAIN USB. You need a USB for that. I already made a video on this. Check out my videos which are linked in the descriptions. Same steps will be applied for all the version. Once you go to the official version of Checkra1n.in, head over to Get Beta now, click on it. According to your requirement, I'm using macOS. I'm going to get Checkra1n 10.2 beta, which is current version. Click on download. Once it is installed, click on DMG file and there we go, and just drag that file to the application. We no longer require this window again. Now head over to applications and just go to the Checkra1n and click on it. If you get this window, this is natural because it shows that unidentified developer. That means you have to give a permission to this. Just click on OK. Now go to the system preference and go to the security and privacy. Click on it, and as you can see, Checkra1n was blocked opening because of it's not from an identifier developer. Open anyways, click open, and now once you do that, if that doesn't open, go ahead and click on it, and there we go. You have the Checkra1n made by AxioMX, who has released the boot ROM exploits, and based on that, this group has made this Checkra1n jailbreak. Thank you for these developers.
Connect your device. So there we go, and the device has been connected, and now as you can see, you go to the option and just click allow, and it will start working. Not only 13.5.1, so literally any version you can jailbreak with this. So once you connected to the computer, click start, and there we go, you get that warning. It's natural. Now device will go into the DFU mode. So as you can see, it's went DFU mode. There you go. Now the device is in DFU mode and you have that instruction. So it depends on which device you're using. You will get that instruction. So go ahead and read that instruction properly. So in my case, top button and home button, I need to work out with that. So I'll just press on top button and home button at the same time. So let's start it. Top button and home button at the same time for 4 seconds. Let go the top button and keep holding home button for 10 seconds. So as soon as the 10 second is over, I'm gonna release this home button. Now let's see, the Checkra1n should download here. There we go. Checkra1n is downloading right now. Going to be successfully jailbreak with the Checkra1n. Now once it is done, the device will reboot, and as you can see on computer, it's all done. So now we are done with the computer. So as you can see, the Checkra1n has been downloaded. Now go inside, scroll down. As you can see, Checkra1n is there. Click on Checkra1n to get Cydia. Now you can go ahead and click on Cydia, install Cydia. Click on that. As you can see, downloading base system. And boom, as you can see, the Cydia has been downloaded. Cydia has been downloaded. Click on Cydia. As you can see, Cydia is completely working, and we are on iOS 13.5.1 version. finally jailbroken with this checkrin, and you can try that out. Windows checkrin jailbreak will be mentioned in the description. Go ahead and check that video and you can download with that method. That is not a really official method, but we can work around with USB, and you can try that out. So hope this video helps, and let's see you in the next video. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.